here's a way how you can install World of Warcraft on your Linux PC. Before we start, I should warn you that your PC should be able to run this game, and you should have proprietary drivers installed. And I'm not sure how Intel integrated video cards are capable of running this game. I think the newest Intel integrated video cards can run it. It's not because the previous ones don't have the power to run it, no, because just Wine doesn't work with them. So if you are on Intel integrated video card, you might have problems. So let's begin our tutorial. Okay. For this tutorial, as usual, I'm using Playonlinux. You can download it from playonlinux.com. Go to downloads and select whatever distribution you need. I'm using Ubuntu, so I will download this and install it. Okay. After we downloaded that, let's start Playonlinux. And let's download our WoW installer file. And one more thing before we download WoW installer file. I'm not a World of Warcraft player, so I think everything works. I played the game, I leveled up a bit, but there might be something that I missed and I couldn't see because I am not a WoW player, so I don't understand. So for what I tested, everything worked. Okay, let's download WoW installer file. Go log in. Download, and let's save it on the desktop. Okay, and we don't need this anymore. Let's close this. Okay, first thing what we need to do in Playonlinux, we should install Wine version. Make sure that Wine, for that you should press Tools, Manage Wine version. Make sure that Wine version x86 is selected, because 64-bit Wine doesn't work so good, so you should be using the 32-bit Wine, the x86 Wine, even on a 64-bit machine. Okay, select the latest. For this 1.7.44 is the latest, and I tested with this Wine and it worked. Okay, and I'm emphasizing on this, make sure that you are running proprietary drivers for your video card. Okay, let's close this, and now let's create a Wine prefix. For that, press Configure, New, next, 32-bit. Select whatever Wine version we installed, and let's select a name. I'll call it WoW. Next, and it's creating a Wine prefix for us. While it's creating a Wine prefix, I should encourage you to support Playonlinux and Wine HQ. Those developers made all of this possible, so let's support them. Okay, now select WoW, select first player as Wine, configure Wine, and this is if you want to run this game safely. If you press emulate a virtual desktop and set, for example, 720p resolution, it will start this game in a windowed mode. You'll play this game in a windowed mode. Why do we need to do this? Well, I've tested this game in windowed mode and in full screen mode without this, and the game runs without problems. But if you are running in windowed mode, there is much less probability of stuff going wrong. So I'm gonna run this game in windowed mode because I don't want to risk something going wrong. So I'm gonna start it in windowed mode. If you don't want it, don't check this. If you check this, you should check this as well. Okay, apply. Okay, if you don't want to play this game in Windows mode, you just uncheck this and this. Okay, now let's select this, release, run an exam, and let's select this. Okay, starting Battle.net, very nice. Okay, we don't need a shortcut here, we don't need this shortcut. Continue, and it will install Battle.net for us. Okay, let's log in. Okay, and we can select and start the download. The download is almost 30 gigabytes, but after you download 3 or 4 gigabytes you can play this game. Keep the game update on your click, and if you are dual booting, I think you can select the Windows game partition, Windows game, and it will start the game. I think, I'm not sure. Start installing. Okay, we don't have it, but if you are dual booting, you can select locate and select wherever you have the Windows files downloaded to. So close here, and it will start the download. Version coding whatever, and it will start the download. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and come back after the download is complete, or complete to the point that we can start the game. One more thing, if this fetching encoding table using is taking too long, well, it actually takes quite some time before it kicks in the download, so be patient. Well, as you can see, it downloaded enough data to be playable. I pause this. Now we can play. If we press play, we can start the game, but first we need to, we can create this shortcut wherever we want. We can close this or whatever. I'm gonna minimize this for some time now, and select all, general, make a new shortcut, select this, and let's create a shortcut of Battle.net launcher exe. Next, select Battle.net launcher, and next. And as you can see, it created a shortcut on the desktop, and it created a shortcut in Playonlinux. Whenever you want to start the game, you'll start it either from here or from here. Okay, that's it. And let's start the game, and I'm gonna show you that this game runs. Anyway, thank you for watching, hope it was helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Have the best day, best of luck. Take care.